So Beth and I woke up a little early this morning and we drove up to beautiful Brooksville, Florida. And it's actually Halloween, it's the 31st, and we're participating in a Halloween fundraiser. It's actually for the Ark Nature Coast. So we're supporting a great cause, and we're up early and it's beautiful up here, and I hope you guys just enjoy some sights and sounds from our walk this morning.
So for those who may not be familiar with the Ark Nature Coast, they're actually affiliated with the Ark of the United States, which is the largest national community-based organization that advocates for and serves people with intellectual and developmental disabilities and their families. The location we're visiting today is nestled among the trees in beautiful Brooksville, Florida, just a short drive from I-275. So Beth and I have been really proud to support the Ark over the last 10 years. The more we've gotten to know the people, they're just so caring and amazing, and their mission has just really touched our hearts.
You are my favorite kind of glow. You radiate my favorite tone. You shed a light that guides me home to my favorite place. You are my favorite place to go.
So as we cross the finish line and reflect, it's just been a great morning for a great cause. If you have a heart for helping others, please consider supporting these guys at thearknaturecoast.org. Thanks again for watching, and God bless.